Vehicles are tangled endlessly on a heavily snow-covered and icy highway. In Michigan, United States, a massive 100-car pileup occurred. Jeong Min-hyung covers accidents and incidents globally.
On a highway turned into a snowy white landscape, numerous vehicles are tangled together. Some vehicles are buried in the snow, unable to move at all. Around Grand Rapids, Michigan, a shocking 100-car pileup caused by relentless heavy snowfall turned the highway into chaos. The road was closed for over 8 hours, but fortunately no one was seriously injured or killed.
There were no fatalities and no major injuries. They've all been transported to area hospitals now via ambulance.
This is a low-cost airline in Canada. An elderly couple's knees hit the seat ahead, making it hard to sit comfortably.
Dad, did you just straighten out your legs there?
You have to pay for the other leg.
The airline recently reduced seat spacing and locked reclining seats to add another extra row. On social media, people criticize the seats as narrower than a chicken coop, warning they could cause major accidents during emergency landings. Amid the backlash, the airline announced it would restore the original spacing. In Pompeii, Italy, 79 new graffiti and sketches from before the volcanic eruption have been discovered. The newly discovered graffiti and sketches were carved on a long wall connecting the city's theater to a bustling street. They depict various scenes, from two gladiators fighting to anonymous love confessions. MBN News, Jeong Min-hyung.